Okay, yeah, you can take. That is a flower. Next. Line in V shape. Very good. Yeah, I'll take and keep. What is this? Dot. Yeah. Where is the dot? Where is the dot? Find it out. Dot. Ah, that is dot. See to the image which you are having in the line. Vertical line. Where it is? Where it is? Very good. Good job. Next question mark. Where it is? See the question mark and then find it out where it is in the cardboard. Is that a question mark? Then? No. Yes, it's correct. Good job. That is spoke. Where is it? Keep it. Very good. Slowly. Yeah, I'll hold it back. Next, square. Yeah, I'll hold it back. Is that a square? Yes, that's good job. Waves. Waves. Is that a waves? Yes, correct. That's good. Take your hand. Super. Next is circle. Where is the circle? Good job. Spiral. Where is the spiral? No. Is that a spiral? The last. That's okay. Take your hand. Last one is star. Amazing.
Please like and subscribe Kiddeeclubhouse channel. Click the bell button for more videos.